If you're a Gen 3 Hemi owner looking for an all-in-one package that brings some serious power, this is the setup that you want. Hey, what's up guys? This is Micah with Dusterhoff Racing, and next to me is this awesome looking 2018 Hellcat Challenger 6-speed that we just set up with our DT877 power package and a stage 1 cam. So the DT877 power package kit includes our upper pulley kit and heavy duty belt, which is gonna spin that supercharger faster, bringing up that boost. From there, we're gonna upgrade the fuel injectors, we give it a JMS plug-and-play Boost-a-Pump, and we give it a 180-degree thermostat so things stay nice and cool under pressure, and that fuel system is much improved. Our stage 1 cam kit adds power across the board, and when it's paired with this Borla Atak Exhaust kit, it sounds aggressive, choppy, and absolutely ready for a pull. Take a listen. And of course, all of our in-house builds receive our custom tuning, ensuring that all these awesome mods work together seamlessly. The result, just over 775 wheel horsepower. Man, this is another awesome Hellcat build in the books, and we are super excited to hand the keys back to the owner. If you're ready to unlock your Hemi, the DT877 power package and lots of other options are available. Speak to an expert at Dusterhoff Racing, and let's get your vehicle into the shop.